Hello guys and welcome back. For today we have a short clip. As you can see, our ceiling is already been done, and just let's rewind back a little bit and see how it went with this one. Check first and glue later or after. And that is a go. Now I just need to open that switch quickly because I think it's on my way and I cannot put my board in. So let me quickly do that. So we just taken that switch down and let's carry on. Okay guys, so we just need one more piece and it's done. One part of it done and it's not looking bad. What do you think, Mr. George? How is it looking? It's looking very good. Yes. What do you think?
Perfect.
So you saw it wasn't that difficult. So I know for sure, for a fact, that you can do it. But for this job here, let me just tell you what I've been using. So for the ceiling, we just use some bathroom panels, and these are the panels right here, are about 5 mil thickness, and it's very easy to work with them, because when it's like 5 mil thickness, you are going to have nice perfect joints. When it's going to be a little bit thicker than that, you are going to have more difficulties to put one inside of the other, because this type is like a tongue and groove, and it's going to be a bit difficult to put them because they are going to be a little bit more rigid. So that is our panel for the ceiling, and this is what we have been using. So it's a professional silicone sealant, and it's for bathroom cladding. I don't know if you can see that, but yes. So as you saw, it's not that difficult to do. One guy can do it without any problem. If there is a second one, it's going to be even easier to do. So yes, let's have a look at our ceiling. So you can see the joints are nice and flush, but all that just because we have the 5 mil board, and this is easier to bend on the uneven surface. So at this point, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.